At Oqdo, we believe sports, wellness, and hobbies bring people together. Whether you're an enthusiast chasing your next goal, a coach shaping future champions, or a facility providing the space for dreams to grow. Want to try something new? From soccer to yoga to photography, Oqdo makes booking fast and easy. Just a few taps, and you're in. Coaching? Oqdo helps you build your business, manage your sessions, and connect with clients. Whether you're a pro or just starting out or just want to start a side hustle. Got a space? Fill it with Oqdo. Manage bookings, grow your business, and give your athletes and coaches the best experience. Together, Oqdo bridges the gap between learners, coaches, and facilities, creating a seamless connection where everyone wins. Learners get the best experiences, coaches get more opportunities, and facilities are always in demand. Ready to get moving? Download Oqdo. Oqdo, your world of sports, hobbies, and wellness connected.